In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete saved passwords from Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up Google Chrome and then on the top right hand corner, click on the three dots. Then from there, click onto the settings tab. Now on the left hand side, we've got the option for autofill and passwords. Now this is where you're going to find all your autofills and save passwords inside of Chrome. So click onto that. And then to the right of this, we've got Google Password Manager. So click onto this link. Now you're going to see all your passwords that are saved in Google Chrome. Now, if you want to go ahead and remove one, say for example, I want to remove this Autodesk, I'll click onto that. Now we can see our username. The password is going to be hidden. So if you want to view it, you can. Now, if you want to go ahead and delete it, or what we can do is click on the delete button. That's going to delete that password, and I can delete that one too. And then I've got no more saved information for Autodesk inside of Google Chrome.